Hello everyone, my name is Scott C. Waring of UFO Sightings Daily.com, and I was looking through NASA Apollo 17 photos because my old friend William Rutledge, who used to be a covert astronaut during Apollo 20 moon missions, I used to chat with him on YouTube, and it looks like he's deceased now because I never see him anymore. He lives in Rwanda. Uh, but anyway, I've been looking through the photos and I found this giant ship. The ship looks a lot like the old Battlestar Galactica ship. Remember the Battlestar Galactica? The first, the 1970s series? Most of you can't even remember that. Okay, but a lot of us kids back then, we ate off that. That was our bread and water there. But this ship is really standing out from the rest of the moon. You can see the horizon over here a little bit from the edge of the moon, and you see this long white object here, and there looks to be some kind of structure on top of it. And if you try to alter the light, you can actually see that the structure has a lot of right angles to it. So it does have a lot of rectangles and square shapes there, but I'll let you fiddle around with that. I'm just showing you the original photo, okay? I don't want to mess around with it too much or you'll say I altered something. Right here, there's an extremely long black building too. One here and one here. These are black structures, not shadows. Don't make a mistake. There are three kinds of buildings in, four actually, but the glass ones are too hard to record. I've never been able to record it. Except the domes. I recorded 2 or 3 domes. But there are flat color black structures out there, and there's dull metallic ones, but the dull metallics are always very small, and they're usually around the edges of the black structures. And then there's the white structures. I call it white ceramic. This looks like it's been partially buried, like it's been abandoned for a millennia or something. But look at it, it's floating in the air. It's hovering. Absolutely amazing. And there's a lot of right angle wall-like structures all around this place. Let's zoom out so you can see it better. Sorry, there you go. Zoom back in. And when you come down from it, okay, the ship is over here on the far end. But if you move over here a little bit and come down, you can see what looks like a smaller ship docked inside of a cavernous area. See, it looks like it's been docked over there. The shape is very unusual. And there's a lot of other structures in here, but they're not as high detail as the ship itself. Holy crap, look at this. It's absolutely amazing. I'll include the photo URL so you can click on it and see what you think about it. This photo is on the website right now. I did not take it off of it. I'm looking at the original. I'm going to click on it, make it smaller so you can see. Okay, this is mostly the same size. It's a little lower also, but my screen recorder won't go that far. Here it is, and here's some kind of crater near it. The description, let's look at the description of the photo, which is a little bit interesting. It's in the Sea of Rains, Timocaris, Ewol, they call it Ewol, yeah, right. Mission 17, and this is the identification number right here if you're looking for it. Okay, so it's in the Sea of Rains, this area, and just look up those details. If you want the latitude, it's here. If you want the sun, well, you don't need that, I guess. Longitude is over here. Okay, and use a Nikon camera to record it. So check it out sometime. It's really an amazing discovery, and we really need some more information about this, or if possible, maybe you could find more structures nearby. I see a lot of long structures right here. Yes, these are structures, but the detail's just not there to prove it as much. You also see a little bit of a structure down here. this thing, there's basically a small little city over here made of black structures. But with this detail of photography, you can't see it as much. Alright, check out the link to confirm this sighting, and please check out my UFO Sightings daily website. Alright, take it easy and keep on looking.